Hi everyone, it's Deborah and it's What I Made Wednesday. I actually haven't made a lot this week. I've been working on my Candyland swap that's hosted by Rebecca Hoot. So I actually ordered some stuff off of Etsy for the swap and I want to go through that with you. The seller of this is Magical Mixery Store, and I just glimpsed in the package, but I haven't opened it, and I wanted to open it on camera with you. So look how cute her packaging is. So she packaged all of this in this little drawstring bag that is so stinking cute. So let's go through it. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in it. I had ordered some stuff that I don't have in my stash that I needed for the swap. So let's see what she sent. Oh my goodness, she sent me a freebie. Okay, so look how cute that bag is. That is so cute. Okay, I'll save that. So she sent me, excuse me, she sent me a free gift. Oh, several free gifts. Oh my gosh, this is what I ordered, tickets. I didn't have any of these tickets in my stash, but look at this. She sent me a patriotic mix. Oh my gosh, that's perfect because I'm going to work on a 4th of July album. Junk journal album, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, look at this. She sent me these. These are perfect. This will probably work for Candyland part of it. Yeah, that's cool. So then I did order this Mums mix. Look how pretty that is. So that's the name of the store, Magical Mixery Store. And that's the Mums. And then here is Strawberry Delight. Oh my gosh, that's cute. Okay, so let's get into the rest of it and see what else she sent me. Or what I ordered. Okay, I did order some beads. And I am going to use these for Candyland. I'm going to either make a dangle or something for them, or I'm going to give them some beads because I think that's going to work for that Candyland. And then these, oh, look at the little cherries. Oh, those are cute. Super cute. Maybe for Candyland. These were definitely, I ordered these for the Candyland, and I'm going to have to figure out how to, oh, and these too. I ordered these for Candyland, and I'll have to figure out how to package these for the swap. And then here are these. I ordered those for Candyland as well for the swap. Okay, that's part of it. And then here's the other part. I'd ordered a bunch of tickets because I didn't have any. And I didn't want to order them off the Amazon and have like rolls and rolls of tickets. It's like that was unnecessary for me to have all of that. So here's some 50-cent tickets. Those are going to be perfect. And then here's red and green tickets, just regular tickets. Those will be perfect too. And then the orange, look how cute. I like the packaging. I may have to reuse her packaging, maybe, I don't know. And then here's purple, and then more orange, and then these. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Okay, so let me show you what I've been working on so far with the swap, because I haven't made anything this week because I've been so busy. Let's see. So I don't know if this is going to work, guys. I don't do a lot of swaps, so I know that I'm going to make some things as well. I'm going to cut out some dies and make a few things and try to make shakers if I have the, appropriate dies for that. But anyway, I did gather some doilies. Excuse me. And then I have these jewels. I think they're perfect for the Candyland book. They may or may not use them. We'll see. And then this sticker combination I did purchase at, oh gosh, Hobby Lobby. And I think some of those stickers will be great. Then I did get these little popcorn boxes. They're so cute, and I divided them up. I only found, you got one package and divided them up. And then these popcorn bags. And then I did have, these are from Hobby Lobby. And then I did have these are from Dollar Tree. They're the coin envelopes. And then here's some bags, more bags that they can make, you know, to put in their journal, and a bunch of bags, and then a whole package of popcorn bags. And then I am working on charms. I've got that charm, and then I purchased a bunch of this off of Etsy as well, and I'm dividing this out between the four. I have to send to 3 people. So guys, if you have any ideas of what I should send, please comment below. I would love your input for the Candyland swap. I mean, I want to make it, you know, wonderful for them. I want them to like everything that I send them, and, you know, hopefully can use it. But anyway, I am going to divide this stuff up, and I will package it up, and I will show you my journey with, you know, packaging everything up and trying to make it look cute for the swap. But if you have any suggestions, please comment below. And this is the video for today. Not a lot, because I haven't made anything this week. I've just been working on, in my spare time, on trying to get this swap together. I think I'm going to use that carnival paper from Michaels to make different things for my swap partners. We'll see. I thought, well, I'm going to cut out some more tickets that are maybe not like this, but background tickets for something like this with the paper from that summer fair is the name of that paper. But anyway, I'll figure it out, and I just wanted to show you what I have been working on. You guys have a great day. This is the video for today. Not a lot. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye.